Yes, come in.
Ma, this is the lady that said it.
Okay. Have you gone through the form she filled?
Yes, ma.
And I hope you know everything that is required of her. She filled it today, right?
Yes, ma. Ma, I just wanted to approve it.
Oh, it's okay. Okay. You can attend to her. Young lady, my secretary will attend to you, okay? Okay, ma. I have a very crucial meeting to attend. I'm already behind schedule. Meanwhile, drop the phone on my desk when you're done and I'll look at it tonight.
Yes, ma.
Bye.
Bye, ma.
Bye, ma.
Take care.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for everything.
Don't worry, I'll take care of the rest.
Thank you so much for everything. But I'm still going with the boy, right?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Thank you.
Meanwhile, let's go back to the orphanage.
Okay, after you.
Why you wicked like this, yeah? That's the way they do. If they do them to you, say you go feel them. If they do them to you, say you go like them. But look at no why. Okay, one no good. Excuse me.
See, relax your mind. Ndoka, relax.
Hey!
Calm down. Your son will be fine again. I promise you that.
I mean, this is like shooting myself in the leg. Boom! I'm confused.
You don't have to be confused. Huh? Kevin are really confused for.
Hey!
Huh? Kevin are really confused. See, we are going to make sure we fight this battle. And win this battle by all, with the last blood.
Nze, the issue is, what do we do? What's the next step? What do I do? Eh?
Now let me tell you what
I'm
to
scared.
Do. Wait, let me think. Good. Pretend to make peace with Nedi and her daughters. What did I say?
Go.
Pretend to make peace with Nedi and her daughters.
Yes. And
then you will strike again. Secondly, show to them so that they will believe that you are now a changed man. Oh, okay, change. Go wow. You understand me? Then you get what you want. Because the way I'm seeing those girls, Nedi has put 1 or 2 charms in them. That is why your medicine backfired against you.
Nze.
Huh?
Hey! You know, when one looks at you, especially this your head that looks like kimchi.
See, this man
does not believe that you know anything. You know, this is an empty head. You don't know that this head is full of...
Undoka, be serious.
Ideas. You're just giving me the best idea.
Oh.
Pretend.
To make peace.
And then...
strike them again. Then they will not believe that you are now a changed man.
And they will relax.
I relax and say,
she stoops to conquer.
Let's go.
We must do this. Hey, pretend. And then to be at peace with them. That is
that will live in this house as a son. Hey! Tom. My son, I am your mama. I am your mother. Two of them are your big sisters. She is a Bube Chuku and she is a Bele Chuku.
I'm a very Chuku. Thank you, Mama. Hi.
He called me mother. I'm so happy. I am your mother. From today, I'll be your mother forever.
So what is his name?
What is his name?
Nabugo.
Beautiful name. Do you know he's very handsome? I'm very brilliant.
Don't I have eyes for good things?
No. You do. Hey! Olu one na mekene the reggae. Eh? Young one one name okay. And now have a brother. Eh? Nah, you're welcome, oh. You're welcome. I am going to be your big sister, and this is your big sister too, and this is Mama. Yes. Your mother. As long as say you there with us, we will make sure say you don't lack anything. Nothing. See, I will buy you new clothes, new shoes. I'll even go take you to where they will cut your hair very well. Oh?
Thank you, big sisters.
Oh.
Thank you, Mama.
I'll be taking you to school tomorrow so I can register you.
I'm so happy to be here.
Oh, that is good. See, our father will be so happy in his grave right now because of this. Yes. He will. Chai. This is your family. I'm happy to be your mother. Welcome to this family, okay?
Obi. I was told that someone changed my child.
Omekwe. Omekwe. You and this your dreaming of changing child every time, every day. I've told you. Nobody is going to change your child. I think.
Obi,
let me check it.
Be serious.
Of course I am serious.
You're not.
You're sounding like someone that has malaria.
See, I had a dream.
Okay.
And in that dream, I was carrying a male child. And I was very happy with my child. But all of a sudden, someone appeared and carried the male child, gave me a female child. And I try on my possible best to struggle with the person to collect my child back, but she overpowered me and I tried and tried. I screamed and woke.
Why, your man? Joseph the dreamer. Allah. See, you see, this my baby that you are carrying. You are going to give birth to it. We have Oluebo already, remember?
Yes.
Whether boy or girl.
Oh, stop saying a girl.
Okay, a boy. Okay, a boy. You are going to give birth to it. And you go to give it to my baby. Nobody is going to change it. Okay? Nobody is going to change it. Nobody will take someone's baby and come and give to you, or take your baby and give to someone else. Okay? You are going to give. All you need to do now is to pray for safe delivery, which I know you are going to deliver safely. Okay? All those things, they are just mere figments and imaginations. Okay? Don't worry about it, okay? But you know we have a long day. Let's just finish the work and you know that that soup you prepared for me yesterday. That oha soup. Okay. I don't want to miss it today. So let's quickly finish up the work and rush home. Yeah. Let's go. Let's continue.
Mama.
What is it?
Mama, Why are you crying? Don't you like me?
No, yes. I mean, yes, I like you. I love you. You are my son. My only son, and I love you a whole lot.
Then, why is tears rolling down your eyes?
My child, you're too little to understand all of this. Definitely. You're too small to understand what is going on in my mind right now. But I'm sorry.
Mama, stop crying. Okay. Mama, when are you telling me all those sweet stories about the tortoise and the monkey?
I will tell you. Of course, I will tell you today.
Okay, stop crying. Okay? Mama, I don't know why you're crying, but please stop crying. Mama, smile.
And you can eat.
I have done what you elders have asked me to do. I've removed the omo from all my father's land, all the farms.
Good.
I have done what you elders asked me to do, so you'll be happy.
Good.
And that is simply because we now have a male child.
Yeah?
Yes, sir.
I don't understand you. What do you mean?
don't understand what? I had to adopt a male child now. What is there for you not to understand, uncle? I had to adopt a male child. One that will take over my father's legacy. Since you people and the tradition don't want to see us as your children. Because we are female. Why?
Did you discuss this with your uncle?
Which dirty smelling nyama uncle be that one? Uncle, please don't provoke me. Uncle, you are a good man, oh. That's why I'm telling you all these things. That man that calls himself into my uncle, I will so deal with him. That house is living in. He will soon leave that house for me because it's my father's house. Okay, Semampo.
Hey, Bube, calm down. Are you about to start another fight?
I don't care, uncle. If they want war, I will give them war. If they want peace, I give them peace. Me, I'm not sending. I don't see anybody. I don't talk my own finish. I just say my table.
Listen, Papa, how far now? It has removed that those or more.
But your brother is still sick. Your brother is still sick.
Papa, you just have to do something. You just have to do something, Papa.
Let me think, yeah? Let me to think. Look, these girls will eventually get married and they will leave everything to me. You understand? Everything will be there for me. All those lands will be mine eventually. Yeah? So, but listen, I'm thinking of a better way to, because the mother has given them chance.
Ndoka. There is problem. Nsobode.
Tell me what? Tell me.
I just heard from a reliable source that Ebube has gone to adopt a son for her late father.
No, it's not possible. It's not possible.
I can't work on the possible. Make game already.
No, a bastard in my family.
A bastard. All the go possible. I can't call here. I say bastard. I told you to do something. This is war coming. War, Papa, war coming. A bastard coming to drag the land with me. I've told you before to do something, Papa. We forget.
It will happen. This girl has killed me. Why would you? No, it's not possible. It's not. Banana. How can that be? In my family, a bastard and banana. Why? What will I do now? How do I take care of this? But who told you?
Ichiofo.
Ichiofo?
Yes. And even said that the guests are coming to evacuate you from this house. And you know what that means? The elders will support them because of that boy they have adopted to bear their father's name, Okoye.
It's not possible. It's not possible. No, it's not. It won't happen. It won't happen. No.
My friend, do something.
I will. Yes, you're correct. I have to do something.
Do something because my son has been dreaming about that land. Ocho izo that ala. Huh? Anakwamo.
I will do something. I will do something.
Okay. I can be about one.
Yeah, thank you for information. Thank you for the information. Hey, how do we carry a man with a broken waist? Something has to be done. I have to do something. Something. What? Please. See, all I want is peace. No, there'll be progress and prosperity. Yeah? You see, this fighting has to stop. It's not helping us at all. Yeah? You see, I want us to make peace. Let us be happy together. Yeah? Please, in fact, this adoption in the name of my late brother is a very welcome development to me. I love it so much. And I welcome it wholeheartedly.
Because this thing you're saying is different from what you have in your heart.
Exactly.
Oh, you're not Marogi.
But you have to understand. Just understand where I'm coming from. My son.
Don't ever call him your son.
Welcome to our family. You see, my son. You see, you already look like one of us. Okay, these are all. These are your sisters. This is your brother. Your other brother will still be here.
Now. How are you?
You see, I told my late brother when he was alive, this is the way to go. He did not do it. And I'm happy that our daughter, very brilliant, will be here.
May the urchins from this planet of Saturn lick that your baby, suck it up until no hair is remaining on your face.
Exactly.
You tell your brother before you killed him. Yes. Because if he were to be alive, he would have thought about this and done it himself.
I'll go that way. I'm here with my whole heart. Happiness. You're welcome.
Nduka, we have heard you.
Thank you.
We have understood your request. You want peace between you and your late brother's family.
This thing you're saying right now is because you don't want to leave the house. My nigga, you don't come out that house finish. What's it with the talk right now? Now how you take come out the house?
Exactly.
In fact, you miscomprehend my intentions.
The only intentions you have is wickedness.
No, you see the issue. Don't misinterpret my actions and reactions. You understand? You see what happened? I can be there as a tenant. No problem. I'm gonna pay rent.
Even as a tenant, safe. No one wants you.
You see, Nedi, Pikono. We are not here to fight at all. We are here to make peace, just like your late husband brother have just said. He told me vividly that this issue of fighting every day here and there, that he does not want it. That he wants peace to reign.
And you are the peacemaker. You are the most wicked person amongst us here. And you're the one that came to make the peace. That means there's no peace. He's saying peace with his mouth, but in his heart is full of wickedness. If not,
let the bygone be bygone. Look, where is your son?
No, he went to his maternal home. In fact, he comes straight to this meeting.
Where he went to perpetuate the next wickedness. To strategize. You, who are you?
Who are you?
Clever.
The truth is this. Ebube and Ebelechu. I am tired of this fight.
Exactly.
Okay.
You're laughing.
The laughter is because I am joyous in my heart that I'm trying to reconcile with my sisters. Let us come back as one sweet family. Wonderful.
You will know the plans you have, and now that plans will collapse on your head.
On their head.
No, it's not. We're doing it from our heart. Then Onya is here,
I don't trust that man that calls himself. How come he wants peace at this point? Now that we just adopted a male child for Papa.
Oh.
Because he knows what is coming for him. We have broken all his evil feathers. Let the elders say pim, and they will hear when. Nabugo is our father's son, and that is on period.
Listen, if you ask me, I'll say let's give peace a chance. You know, this is the first time I'm seeing Nduka preach peace and even stand on it. Even though I was skeptical about it. But I want us to be more careful. But at the end, let's give peace a chance.
Hey, Mama.
But the point is that even his friends are concurring to the peace.
Mama, now you dey yarn that nonsense for. See that rubbish piece? Now you dey talk that bullshit for. Not be me dey tell that nonsense. So I can never be carried away with that Nduka. Nduka is a diabolical man and he can never change.
Me too. Never. They thought we are dummies. We are not. I'm not carried away with those useless peace talk rubbish. I can never be moved like that. Never.
Look at these people. Yeah? No, you know, now they believe I'm a changed man. Yeah? They believe I want peace. What peace? Me. Peace. What will I do with peace? Don't worry. By the time I'm through with them, they will know that it is wrong to bring in a bastard into my brother's house. Eh? Okay, just to undo me, eh? Don't worry. Everybody and her mother, they will see and hear.
Fools. Fools. Papa, can you imagine? Eh? Hi.
You see, don't worry. Look, I have this strategy and I'm following it. I've adopted it. By the time I'm through with it, all of them will be carrying ma. You understand? You don't do that. Don't bring in a bastard to come and inherit my property. My personal property. It's not done anywhere. And our mother have done the worst. They will see the result.
Well, I think I like that strategy.
Yes.
You know, to make them feel that we want peace. Yes, then we'll now strike. You see that, Ebube?
Yeah?
I will never forgive her.
Hey.
Who is Sister Ebube?
Oh, she's in Match's shop. She went to go and buy you Capri Sun and cheese balls. So you can take it to school.
Okay, let's go far.
Now you want to go back?
No, let's go far.
Ogene kanazo, ogene kanazo, ogene kanazo kanjo, nde mmadu na jobi, nde mmadu na jobi yo, owebulu nke nwanne, ilo nasi ajaka, ilo nasi ajaka, ilo nasi ajaka no. Nacho wulo ngweya oyem rakiji oyem rakiji ezi oyem rakiji oyem rakiji ane meto wanike oyem rakiji.
You see, there is nothing as good as peace. With peace, there will be prosperity in the family. When you want to enjoy, you eat, drink, and be merry.
Of course. Omakana.
Hey.
God,
don't understand. Hey, this is very good. This malt does it has a very another kind of taste. It doesn't even taste like malt again.
You know, you said you wanted food, but nobody in the house. You know, they went to register on Nabugo in school.
Hey, that is good.
You know, she's a very good cook.
Very.
Made something small for you to eat.
But I still perceive some.
There's nothing in the house. It's just a small indomie they made for Nabugo.
Okay, the indomie. Okay.
School.
Okay, Nabugo. He likes indomie, eh?
Yes.
Hey, is that so? Oh, that is good. Yeah, that's good. He loves indomie so much. Okay. Yeah. It's a very good one.
Mama,
my daughters.
Mama,
how are you?
don't understand. Your uncle has been misplaced you to stand up in school. Even though he said he was hungry, because there's no cooked food in the house, apart from the indomie people made for Nabubu to go to school. So I decided to offer him malt.
Yes.
Mama.
Look, listen. This is the way I want us to be living. Yeah?
Did you hear him now?
Peace, togetherness, love. This is one big family. Yeah? We belong to each other. Yeah? Let us always, enjoy each other's company. That's the way it should be. And, by the way, I understand that you people went to register Nabubu school.
Yes.
Please, let it be a very good school, though. Very, very good school. You see, because that boy is very brilliant. And he's going to be a very big man in future.
That's right.
I'm telling you.
They went to put him in one of the best schools.
Well, good. It has to be one of the best.
Yes.
And let me also add this. Because you people have to be very careful with that boy. Protect him every time. Because evil eyes are everywhere. People are always,
I know.
Mama.
You don't know. Protect that boy.
Somebody can bang now.
Yes. I've also told my sons, your brothers, to accept Nabubu. You take him as their own, as a younger cousin. And protect him everywhere. Take care of him.
Take care of him.
Yes.
Yeah, uncle. When you can go do something. You know, cook for house. On this street, no.
I'm not talking about food. Listen. So that is why I've come. You don't need to do this.
Mama. Where do you go? And I keep calling company. But I keep calling company. Papa company. Mama, where do you go? 1-0. You don't get food again.
What stupid peace are you talking about, Mama? What nonsense unity? Hey, Mama. Look at who is talking about peace, and here you are believing him. Now what for you? Now you act like this. Like some BL baby lion. Ha, Mama. That man is unpredictable. And you know it. You even had the guts to offer him malt. Look at him and the malt, the same size.
The same size. He said he was hungry. And there was no food in the house, so I offered him malt. Besides, he has changed. He came to offer me hand of fellowship. Sure, but should I reject it? This man we're talking about is my brother-in-law. There should be a connection between him and myself.
Mama, Mama, you need to be careful. You need to be extremely careful about that man that calls himself our uncle. Yes, we agreed to be peaceful, no problem. But let everyone day on their lane. Let everyone day their day. You see this approach is coming with. This backyard approach. Mama, I'm not in support of it. I cannot approve of it. That is on period. People call my own.
Accept peace, but always be at alert with your boy.
Hey, exactly.
There are two different things, Mama. You are too calm and too loose on this man.
I've heard though. Why are you talking as if I'm a baby? So I don't know the difference between bad and good. Nduka has changed from being bad to being good and even to being best.
He's only pretending. Forget that thing.
Look at the way he was praising Nabugo. There should be, people should understand the connection between his family and our family. It means we are one. It's not brother-in-law.
Pretenders.
Mama, it's so unfortunate that you don't even know your brother-in-law. You can't even read the handwriting on the wall. Mama, Sanya.
So I'm sleeping now or I'm in the water. What does that mean? People should stop looking at me like that because I like it on me. I behave as if I'm a baby. I don't even know what I'm doing.
You see, that was what happened. You were not mad. You just had a little sickness. Little small thing.
Papa, what you mean that they have now adopted a male child?
Oh yes, that's it. Yes.
So they have won us.
No. Says who? Who can win your father? Do you know me? Go and go. Is it go? Go me.
Papa is planning on something very special, you know. I want to pretend as if We love them, show them kindness, you know. We just pretend that penetrates them. You understand? Once we penetrate them, then now strike.
So you go out and tell me that I was mad. Me was mad for a whole 1 week. Shut up. I'm telling you to forget that rubbish you're talking with madness. It's just a little sickness. Tiny.
Yeah, not that you were mad. It's just Chalobella Laboni.
Can you just tell me what to do right now? I don't know what else to do. He's on my neck as we speak. My husband over there is also tired. I'm telling you. Dozier is so determined in this particular issue and I don't know what to say anymore. He won't stop calling and calling. I don't know. Well, I've told him when he comes back to the country we'll talk about it. But he's so strong-headed. You know him. You know him very well now, Alice. Yes, I need you to talk to him. But first, please, you have to come to my office right away and let's discuss about this one-on-one. Please. I really need you at this moment, Alice. Please, just come to the office. I'm expecting you. Really. Please, please. I'll be waiting. Thank you so much, Alice. Thank you. How can you be this careless, Amanda? How?
Ma, I dropped the file on your desk.
And this is the desk. Look for it. I hope you know I've not gone through that file. I only asked you to go through it and approve it because I had somewhere I was going to at that moment. Where is the file?
I'm sorry, Ma. I don't mean to be rude. But I dropped the file that very day you said you're going to come back and look into it.
Then hand it over to me. Look, if you don't get that file, you will look for that young lady and return that boy to me. I hope you understand.
I can't seem to find it.
That's your business. You hear me? That is your business. I need that file or you get that boy back for me.
Where could the file be? I don't want to get myself into trouble.
I reject this your dream. It will never happen. May the gods of our land forbid it. Yes! Man.
Nothing will happen. Nothing will happen.
I never said anything will happen. You just have to be very careful. You know how the devil is. He only wants to gain ground and deal with you.
This is just a threat to try your spirit. Nothing will happen to him. We'll always be with our brother. Always.
Nothing will happen to me. I have told you to relax. Maybe you're thinking too much and your mind is beginning to deceive you.
Exactly.
Please, take things easy. No.
Nothing will happen to you.
Nothing.
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 Don't be afraid.
Oh, just a try.
Nothing will happen.
Nothing. Devil is a lie. Jumbo.
Who is here? Nadi! Nadi! Everywhere is locked. Who is here? Wonder. Everywhere is quiet. Locked. Everywhere! Who is at home? Can you be able? Who is here? Nadi! Everywhere is locked. Is anybody at home? It's like they went to the farm. Okay. Okay, so nobody's here, eh? It's okay. I'll come back. I'll be back later, eh? Lady, who is here? Abatago, have you... Is anybody at home now? Is anybody here? Everybody! Is somebody here? Lady! Who is here? Everybody! Okay, it's like they're not back kids. How did they even... Yeah. They spent so much time out there. Eh? Maybe they went to the farm. I'm sure they went to the farm. Huh? So, it's okay. I think I'll come back to check them up. Eh? Everybody left the house and went out. What happened?
Ilona siyajaka, Ilona siyajaka, Ilona siyajaka na chawulo mweya. Oyem rakiji oyem rakiji, ezi oyem rakiji oyem.
You see, I did everything as planned. Everything. I left no stone unturned.
Good. Very good. So, we should wait for the results.
I can't wait. I just can't wait for the results. Look, you see me now, yeah. I want to...
I know that very soon, everything will just happen. Let us go. Let us go.
Why, Ebube, why? Why are you always like this? Why do you have to pawn the whole clothes? I was going to take them inside now.
What is going on here? What is this?
Mama, Ebube burnt Nabogo's clothes I sprayed before going to the farm.
Why did she have to burn his clothes like this? Mama,
she asked me to take the clothes inside. I forgot. Eh? She said that she doesn't want Nabogo's clothes to be sprayed outside for long.
Oh, because of that she burnt his clothes?
Yes, I forgot. That's why she burnt the whole clothes.
You should have told me now. I don't know what to tell you.
Ebube, it's not nice now. Look, everything's big. Oh, this is not everything's blue one. I don't.
Sister! Sister!
Okay, what was it? Scratch my back, scratch my back. What happened to your back? Eh? Chill. What is it? Now what's going on?
What happened? What is it?
I don't know. I don't know.
Eh?
I don't know. Neko go just some ajuju.
Hey.
Aye.
Don't.
Do you feel better now? Oh. Where?
Okay.
Aye.
What's going on here?
What is this? Aye.
Papa, I don't know. He said I should be scratching his back. I've been scratching since. You okay now? Okay now?
Eh? I don't know. Just scratch.
I'm trying. It's not working. Should I use shovel?
Hey!
My own son!
Papa.
Okay.
Hey.
I don't know.
Hey.
Oh, wait, I'm coming. Eh?
Where are you going?
I'll be back.
Hey.
Okay, now what happened now?
Aye.
Eh?
Neko kazu.
Hey! Okay, now what is it?
Aye.
Listen to my friend. Hey! I'm dead. Hey! Anything I do to these people, it hits back at my son. What can I do? Nze! Where is Nze? Nze my friend, where are you? Hey! What's the meaning of this? What is this, for goodness sake? Hey! My son.
Ndoka, my friend.
Huh?
Calm down. Eh? Don't shiver like a woman.
Oh!
Your son will be alright. I have the cure. So relax.
Hey!
Be strong, be a man.
I feel hotness inside. And I will.
Hey!
What is the meaning of
I know. Nze, you know Nze is Nze. Eh?
His hand, the hand.
Nze Adema.
Yeah.
Hey!
It appears that this little boy have not worn that cloth.
I went to their house and I saw the cloth burnt to ashes.
Like seriously.
These girls are winning. I don't understand. And the worst part is that anything I do against them bounces back at me. Yeah?
See, calm down. What will be? This battle, you are going to win this battle.
But I have to.
But I'm assuring you are going to win this battle. See, what we are going to do is to go and visit that herbalist man and explain things the way they are. In fact, I will tell him to fully equip you because in Kaburo Belogo.
It is not.
Kaburo Belogo. Huh?
That little rat is my greatest nightmare. It's a nightmare to me. Yeah? Hey!
See, you are going to come out victorious.
But I have to now.
Yes. Let's carry
Amanda, up till now, Amanda, you can't find that file? What nonsense? Amanda!
Mom.
How dare you toy with your job? This girl in question, I don't know anything about her. I don't know her state of origin. I don't know her community. I don't even know her name. Oh, you think I sell children here?
No, Mom.
What is the problem? Are you this careless? Don't tell me you're this careless, Amanda. How dare you toy with your job this way?
I'm sorry, ma.
My friend, don't give me that sorry bullshit. What has the sorry done? Has the sorry provided the file? Listen, I'm giving you just 3 days. 3 days to provide that file. You hear me? Get out of my sight. Leave! And listen, you have just 3 days, like I said. 3 days to provide that file. Or you say goodbye to your job. Get out! Get out! I don't know anything about the young girl. I don't know her name. I don't know where she came from. Or does Amanda think I sell kids here?
Oh,
hey,
thank
God.
God.
My sister.
Thank God. Bele.
My sister.
Thank God that I'm seeing you now. Eh? Thank God that we met you on the road. We're actually going to your house.
Yes.
We are coming to ask you people for forgiveness. Yes, you know, we're so sorry for all these things that have been happening in our family. It's not right. Though. It's not supposed to be so. Yes. We are brothers and sisters. Yeah, we are siblings. So we ought to be living in peace. Yes, so we thought we should go to your house and see you people and apologize to you, to Ebube and Mama. Yes. So we'll start doing things together again.
We shouldn't be attacking ourselves all the time. We should live in peace. Peace. Very important.
Acrimony, Dikeh.
Acrimony.
Yes.
Cherekwano. Ikenna. Ebuka. People are apologizing, eh?
Yes, from our heart.
This is new.
It's okay. I'm happy that we met you here.
Yes.
But we'll still go to the house to meet with
anybody.
Mama. I'm sure they're at home.
They're at home.
Okay. Okay, no problem. Let's meet
my
them.
sister. Let us hug now. As brother and sister. My brother. Let us hug us. Let us.
Are you now dragging me to hug you?
No, don't worry,
Let us go and greet Mama.
Oh, hey.
Sister, they look mysterious.
See, I don't trust Ebube. I feel Ebube knows what we know.
But we're ahead of them now.
Even though, but why did Papa ask us to go and apologize to them?
Honestly, I just feel like the ground should just open so we can just fall inside.
Don't worry, we don't understand. Papa is really cooking something special. And by the time he's done, you understand. I can't even wait to see that happening.
Yeah.
Yes.
But did you see how Ebube was swelling? The more we were apologizing, the more she was swelling. She was everything. The more we apologized, it just seemed like her ego was just exploding.
That Ebube is swelling up is just because I've not come across her with a pin. Once I come across Ebube with a pin, Ebube, don't worry. Very soon she'll be deflated. What do you hear? It will just blast. Calm down. Come on, we'll very soon. Calm down.
That's so funny. Hey, Mama. Are you giving Mama a money ask? Yes, Mama. I did. Hey, Mama, you don't believe what happened. We saw Ebuka and Ikenna on our way coming. And they were like, please, so we are sorry. Forgive us. We are brothers and sisters. Let us make up. We don't want to fight again. We don't want to quarrel again. I say,
It shocked you? They were here as well.
They said they were coming to meet you at the...
They were here. Now,
Chimo,
forgive us. We want to embrace peace. We want our family to be one. We don't want to scatter our family again. Anything that we have done that is not good, please forgive. Mama, you know Ebube with her style.
Oh.
She just angrily walked away from them.
I trust her.
You know, me, I know they are not good people. It's this peace they're talking about. I'm beginning to think we should give it a chance.
Mama? Eh? It's again? Peace.
And where you going to look me?
With who? Those demons.
Mama, we need to be careful now. Very careful now.
You don't want to say you want to hug me.
He was forcing us to
hug. We need to be careful, Mama. I'm telling you the gospel truth, though. We need to be very careful. I don't trust those people one bit. I don't trust them one bit. I don't.
It's okay. I'm still thinking about it. And I'll be praying about it.
No problem. Where is Ebube?
She's inside, of course.
Ebube! Ebube, my sister, come. Why are you looking at me like that?
Cook it for the boy. Give me that one. Go home. Cook for the boy.
What do you stand to get no? Why you wicked like this, yeah? That's the way they do. If they do to you, say you go feel them. If they do to you, you go like them.
Look at her. Oh, I need to walk. This one has walked already. Nede. Look at you. You think I want peace? I don't want peace. I cannot want peace. And I will never want peace. Now you will get your punishment. You will realize that I am the head of this family. Oh, I make you boom, boom, boom. Love it.
What is it? Nabu! Stop this kind of rough play now. Somebody help me, oh. Hey! Somebody help me, oh. Somebody help, oh. What time did you come? Hey! Somebody help. Mom, get up, oh. Get up, oh. Get up.
Eh? What's going on?
I don't know.
You're not a help.
I don't know. Nah.
What have you done? What is it? Get him, Elia.
What did you do to him? I did not do anything, no.
What is it? What happened?
I just gave him his food.
Hey! He's dead.
Is he dead?
He's dead. Of course not. Ngosim, is he dead?
What?
Hey! Oh! What did you do to him now? What happened?
I didn't do anything. I just gave him his food.
He's gone. Oh God, you even gave him something. He's gone. That means you've given him poison.
How?
Where's your Nania?
Hey.
Then eat it. Test
it.
Eat it. You go antidote. And we eat here, none will be fit chilling here. I know you. Hey! Wait. This is long. What did you do to this boy? What happened? Nah.
How can I give her?
Madam, he is gone. He is gone. What did you do to him? What exactly did you do to this boy? He's dead.
You've killed the son of a wicked woman, Jezebel. So now I'm going to
Where are you even getting this money from? Eh? From that year on Simba way there for UK.
You better shut your mouth before I shut this for you. No, but seriously, that boy gives me so much money. I need to get him a bicycle. I'm sure he will appreciate it.
He's very brilliant. The teacher loves him so much, honestly.
Oh! Jesus! Hey! Ah! Hey! Sorry.
I'm so sorry. 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 No.
Ebele! Wait. You could be rusty here. I just met Nkechi, pretty like a buffalo there. She said something about Nabugo being dead or something. I don't know what she said, or she said something like that. Yeah, I'm going to the hospital.
No, why don't they say Nabugo did what?
I don't know.
Nabugo again.
Come. Yeah.
No.
Come now.
Can I boss you? Wait!
Hey!
Get up and tell them, defend me. Tell them I did not kill you. Tell them I did not do anything to you. You're the only one that can defend me here.
What 2 minutes now this boy needs?
If I got boy farmer.
Oh, it's not fair.
Why did you do this?
Yeah?
You killed him! Look at him! You killed an innocent boy!
Innocent and fresh.
What did he do
Fresh
to you?
boy.
What did this boy do to you?
Fresh boy,
wicked! Very wicked!
Hey!
A boy that is supposed to take his place in my late brother's house.
Oh.
As a man! You killed him. Just like that. Hey! Look what you did to me. Look at why are you talking like that? Oh my God, all the years I've been married in this compound, have you seen me kill a fly? Let alone my own child. Let alone my own child. I did not kill him. I did not kill him. How can I have killed my own son? My child.
I'll get it, Mama. Mama, what is going on? Why is Nabugo lying down like this?
Hey!
What happened to him? Hey, Mama? Nabugo is what?
Dead, don't.
No! Namu.
Oh, we go say now. He's dead. He's dead.
Nabugo. Hey! Nabugo!
He's dead. He's gone.
I did not kill him.
How you got?
I did not kill him.
Mama, what happened to him?
I just gave him his noodles to eat. I went to go and bring him water. By the time I came, he was clutching his neck.
No.
He fell down and died.
No!
I did not do anything.
He gave him noodles eating. Noodles. After eating, he died. See the man came earlier.
Hey.
Look at it. Look at it. You have told you have done to this small boy. I appeal to you that you killed this boy. He is not your son. He's not your son. That's why you killed him. Yeah? You killed him because you could not produce even one. Look at you. Yeah? You hate to see my children. You're very wicked and heartless. I did not kill him. What did he do to you? I did not kill him. How can I kill my own son? How can I kill him? You are wicked and heartless. He's not your son. That's why you killed him. My children can bear me witness that I love this child with all my heart. And this is the evidence. The evidence of love. Look at it. The evidence of love. Don't tell me. Ask me. Imagine.
Ned, this is not time to cry. This is not time to cry. Eh? The only way you will prove to us that you are innocent is you will swear before every one of us. But for now, you kill this boy.
I did not kill him.
You did.
I did not kill him.
You did, oh.
God, you know I did not kill my son.
Just
God, you know I did not kill my son. Hey,
The thing that is even paining me more now is that I bought football with my last card for this boy, so we can play together. Look at this boy now. Look at him. It's not good though. You have to swear. You have to swear.
I did not kill him. I did not kill him.
Ned, it's enough. Ned, I called you 3 times. There's no story about this. No story. You gave him food to eat. You gave him Indomie. He has eaten and is dead.
Oh.
The only way you need to prove your innocence is to swear for all of us.
Please, my people.
I will swear.
We have to decide that. Mama, no. We have to decide.
Whatever decision you need to make, whatever you call it, you have to present her before all of us to swear.
I
want to live here.
Look at my friend. Let us go.
Nah. I need to leave here. Let's go.
Nah. Get in there.
No do that everybody eats all the time.
No.
That means if the boy is finished, this boy has gone. Enjoy it more.
Hey!
No, baby, you are very chair. When you need to be boy, yes, okay.
Why? I'm telling you, I cannot agree. Why can't you agree? Why can't I agree?
Yes.
It's your fault. Yes. What are you saying? Huh? Is it not the same noodles that was given to animals to eat and they ate, nothing happened? Is it not from the same seller? Huh? You and I have tried to find out if this woman was selling poisonous items, and we have found out that she's not. So what are you now saying?
What I'm saying is this. The Ned I know does not have a heart. She cannot do such a thing. That's simple. She can't.
Okay. Supposing Nduka was with her when the boy was eating the food, would have said yes, Nduka is a suspect. But Nduka was not at home that day.
You make a point here. I agree. And it's a bit confusing to me. However, Ned, I know, cannot kill a fly. Talk more of killing a human being with poison. I can swear for her.
Me,
can't do that.
I don't want to talk about that one. I have given her daughters today till tomorrow morning to take a decision. And that is final. I've told you, yes, that's final. I'm going.
I say what I never watch over. Oh, I say what I never watch over. Eh?
Look, I told you. Did I not tell you? It went very smooth.
That is why you're a very good friend.
But you know why I'm doing all these things, so it's because of that land. Not just land, though. That very one, that particular one. My son has been dreaming about that very particular land.
I assure you that you will get that land. Eh? Look, I don't say something and go back on my words. When I have said it, it has to be done the way I said it.
Come on. We are here when you're promising. Not when the time comes for you to give him the land.
Who can kill an oracle?
Ikella, Adiabu, walk up.
Hey, what if they adopt another child? That will not happen.
No. It can happen. But if eventually happen, there will be more deaths. Anna adopt. I am there.
Go and get your machete and follow us.
No. He won't do that. He is not going anywhere. Do you want him to get injured? He is staying home with me. Stay home with me. I'll make indomie for you,
Mama, it's high time you allowed this boy Nabugo to always follow us to the farm. That way he will be able to know the farmland and the palm trees.
Exactly. He won't do that. And he's not going anywhere with you people. He has not gotten to the stage. When he does, he'll start going. For now, he's staying home with me. People should go to the farm. Aren't people doing it before he came?
I don't know why you over-pampered this boy.
Yeah, don't worry, next time.
Yeah, don't go.
Don't worry. Let's go before this song will come out. Well,
You should come back and go so that you're able to cook their lunch.
Okay, Mama.
Sister, do you think Mama will ever hurt Nabugo, our brother?
I don't understand. Now, what are you trying to say? What did you try, Jan? You were there. We bought the same noodles from Chinasa. We fed it to the animals. None of them died. Abi, you know they're there.
Sister, that is not enough reason. It's not enough reason to crucify Mama.
First thing tomorrow morning, Mama will be swearing for me before Nabugo will be laid to rest. And that's final.
Sister,
Little lamb, feed it. Hit down by stray bullet. Straight it goes into the pot. Hey! Is it qua uso Isa Bafu? So it is written. The wicked comes in one way, 7 ways they flew. Hey! Nabugo! You must fish out your killers. Oh yes! Mo-ala, kunye, gemunti, baye! Woman! Take this from me. Woman, listen to me. This is not time for sentiment. You have to drink this to prove your innocence. You have to taste it. If you are guilty, you run mad before the eyes of every one of us here. But if not, you'll be safe. Now taste it.
I didn't kill my son.
Taste it, woman. Drink from it.
I didn't kill him.
Don't kill
him. Don't kill him now.
Mala!
Mama! I said it. That this evil woman just killed this young boy.
Mama, I'm fine. You are fine. I'm killing now. Hey! Don't kill anybody, Mama. I'm saying that, okay?
You are holding your head.
What are you doing? Mama, Mama, where are you going? Hey, Mama! Mama, we didn't kill anybody. Stop! Mama, where are you going to now?
The land of madness.
Mama, you didn't kill anybody. Mama, name. You didn't kill anybody. You didn't kill anybody. Mama, stop saying this.
Where's the bag? Where's the bag? When you get to the market, it's just out there.
What are you doing?
They haven't given her this bag.
I cannot believe it. Leave me alone. Mama. Wait. Everybody, this is our mother. Everybody. What are you doing?
Are you there? She has left you.
Mama, wait for me. Mama, wait for me, please.
She has left you behind. There's a portion for her in the market square.
What are you doing is not fair. Mama, wait for me. Stop pushing me.
There's a portion for her in the market square. Go there. They go up market. Go.
Quiet!
Fast.
You killed such an innocent.
She did not kill him. Stop saying that.
Stop saying she did not kill. She's telling you she killed. You are saying she did not kill.
Don't touch my mother.
Quiet and go.
Oh, leave me alone.
Somebody's telling you that she killed. You are saying she did not kill.
Are you sure? She will not join hands in poisoning the body.
I hope you pack everything at the that is yours inside this bag. Because you can even steal. Steal. Criminal.
Come on. What is that?
Go.
Why is she mad? Why is she mad?
Kiss not the promising young boy.
Innocent boy that doesn't know how to innocent virgin boy.
Don't worry, everything will be fine.
You see? I told you people that will conquer. Haven't you seen it?
Ebe is really coming close to it.
To where?
That Ebube is a strong mate. As you can see, she's still standing tall. She's still standing strong.
Papa, see, I think you have to do something about it. You know how you do it. You handle her, so we can have balance. You handle her.
Leave her to me. Leave Ebe to me. I know how to handle her. You understand what I'm saying? Listen, I know right now she's mourning that little boy, Nabogo. So, forget about that. I know how to penetrate her. I will enter her. You know, she will become vulnerable like her mother, and then...
But I mean, it's not that you are talking, It's not that you're talking. In fact, this calls for celebration.
Get some palm wine, please.
Yes, Papa. What if she goes to adopt another child?
That will not happen. That will not happen.
When Papa is here. If they adopt another child, Papa will.
You understand it properly, Take that one out.
I killed him. I killed him now, Bobo. Now, Ugo, I killed you.
Mama.
I know.
Mama, you didn't...
Why now? Why did I kill you? No, Ugo. I Why did I kill you? Why now? I killed you.
Mama, you didn't kill anybody.
Nabugo, why did I kill you? Why you come back now? Nabugo, come.
Mama, Mama, you didn't kill anybody. You didn't kill Nabugo. Please, stop. Stop saying that you killed him.
I will kill you.
Mama,
I'm a killer. I will kill you.
You're not a killer. You will not kill me.
I will kill you. Leave me alone now. Leave me.
Mama, you will not kill me. Eh?
Nabugo, where are you?
Nem.
Come back to me. Come back to me.
Mama.
Come back.
Mama, please. Mama, please. See, I brought your food. Eat. Mama, please, eat. Mama, eat your food and stop crying. Eh, Nabugo is not here. He didn't kill anybody. Oh, eat.
Nah. I'm not crying again. Come and eat. Come and eat your Indomie. You know, I used to make it. Oh, no. Why? It's too hot. No. Who eats cold food? Now, cold food, men are for.
Mama.
You don't want to eat your mother's food. It's not good, though.
Mama.
It's not good enough.
Mama, can you just snap out of it? Okay? Nabugo is not here. It's just you and I. Okay? Eat your food. Since morning you've not eaten anything. I beg you. Mama. Afamole ebere chuku. Eze nwanyị. Nwanyị manarisia. Mama sarunde because eat your food.
Or eat small or small, tinini like this. Like this, how we eat like this.
Oh, tinini kami nyegi.
The one is big.
Oh, I've reduced it. Oh, no. My pen won't go off. Open your mouth so you can eat now.
I'm not killing again.
You're not killing me. Thank you, Mama. You're not killing me. I know you're not a killer. Oh, when I can't do another tinini.
This one is big. Nabugo, why are you running now? See the Indomie I made for you. You don't want to eat. Come and eat small. It's cold. You say you like cold food. Come and eat.
Nabugo wants to eat Indomie. Don't say Indomie. Now! Don't touch me! Don't touch me! Don't touch me now! Don't touch me now! Don't touch me now! Don't touch me!
Start going! Come here. Hey, be going. Go. Keep going. Madam, keep going. Go. Thank you. Nothing to me here.
Nabugo wants to eat Indomie.
Keep going.
Nabugo wants to eat Indomie.
Keep going, madam, go. Don't say to me here.
Sorry. Nabugo wants to eat Indomie.
Here, let me show like this. I don't understand.
Why now? You want to eat Indomie?
Come on, bro, you're not serious. You're on now.
Sorry. Wait, my body is paining. Mama, I know. Take it easy. Sorry. Mama. Nemo. Mama, why did you go out? Why?
Nabugo, Indomie. I'm hungry.
Mama, why did you take someone else's items? Why?
Because I'm hungry.
Look at your legs. I know you can barely walk. Look at your head, Mama. I'm so sorry. Oh, you'll be fine. You'll be fine. Just rest your eye.
I'm hungry. I want water. I'm hungry.
Oh, I'll get you water. Oh, I'll also get you something to eat. Oh, Mama, don't go out again. Please, don't go out again. Look at your leg. Everywhere is paining you. Even my own head is paining me too. Oh, let me get you water. No problem, Mama. It's paining me, Mama. But don't worry about me. I'll be fine. Oh, I'll get you water.
Look at Manango. In fact, now so carry a bunty. You see? That is it. Now I don't understand. I want the joker. That is it. Now I don't understand. That is no mission there. I don't understand them. Yeah, can I go? I can going to drink.
Drink on. Go on, drink.
One my.
But an issue.
Well, I think I've had enough.
What are you talking about? Drink.
You see why I love your father, my friend. You see, you people are not seeing him the way I'm seeing him. He's a man of peace, all your love for peace. When two families, are living together, you see progress.
And prosperity.
What call your peace?
Peace is very essential. Peace abroad memory. Peace will do can equip river. Peace. This is love.